everybody, welcome back to my YouTube. Before we start this video, make sure to smash the thumbs up, click the bell, and click the subscribe button. So right now I can't find my my cousin Sophia, my auntie Danielle. So I'm gonna go on my house and search. First, I just set up 4 different cameras. Right there. There's a camera right there. Because when I found it automatically puts a camera there. Camera there. So I'm gonna set up one more camera.
Where did they go?
I don't know. The camera right there.
You don't know where they went?
I don't know where they are. Then I'm gonna have this camera with me. So I'm just gonna sit here and see if they're home. The TV is not working. What happened?
All the paper plates are gone already?
How in the world? Did we like... So it's the Roku. Let's go fix the Roku now. So it wants to be like that. It just wants to show that up. Like, oh great, it should be like this. No, oh, it's turning on. I fixed the TV. I'm just gonna miss my lips because they're chapped because I put way too much of this on. You have to watch with the same lipstick on. You also get chapped and they'll burn up here right now. And my lips are chapped. Oh, Happy New Year's, guys! Comment down below if you like New Year's. And if you like Hanukkah, Christmas, winter, and fall, and spring, summer.